Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will add a sword to the knight arms. Okay, so for that you can use any sword you want, but what I am gonna do is I will use the same sword as I use for the player. Okay, so if we open up the knight and go inside the knight right hand, okay, just simply drag and drop the sword in the right hand of the knight, click on prefab unpack completely, then open up the player and go inside the player. Okay, to the player we have also added the sword. Okay, so what we will do, we will click on that sword and copy the component of this sword. Okay, so we will say copy component, then close the player. Let's click on this sword which we added to the knight, and right here just simply click on paste component values, and as you can see it is added correctly to the knight hands. Okay, so now if we just simply play the game, you will notice that the sword will be perfectly aligned with the hand of the knight, as you can see. Okay, so if the knight come closer to us, as you can see he is running towards us. As you can see, the knight is hitting us with the sword, as you can see. Okay, so the knight can now hit us with a sword. Okay, and we have added the sword to the knight hand as well. So in the same way you can add sword to your own knight. And with this done, let's end this video right here.